What we learn, how we learn, and who we learn from makes all the difference, and highlight of my academic journey at VBS has been caliber of faculties. Hi, my name is Prachi Bhatia and I hail from Delhi, currently studying in PGDM program first year at Vivekanand Business School. The faculties at VBS are distinguished academicians who have made significant contributions to the field of research and are well being known for their outstanding business practices and thought leadership. These esteemed faculties have authored multiple papers and books expanding knowledge and promoting innovation in their respective specialization. They see business principles as a foundation for success and strive to create an environment that promotes critical thinking. The institute truly upholds Guru-Shishya relationship. Instead of just giving the lectures, professors actively interact in the classrooms with the students, promoting vibrant debates and sharing of ideas. They not only just impart knowledge, but also challenge us to think critically, analyze real-world problems, and develop innovative perspectives. The faculties at VBS infuse vibrancy into their subjects, using inventive teaching methods like case study, role play, projects, and extracurricular activities. They actively engage in mentoring and counseling the students, offering valuable guidance when it comes to choosing the specialization. In my opinion, having positive college experience can help students to gain important soft skills, insights, and knowledge that I gained from my professors will undoubtedly help me to stand out in job market and succeed in my future endeavors. I wholeheartedly thank VBS and recommend this institute to all the aspiring MBA students.